how to have a contact option of your business email on your profile on your Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram, then when your Instagram is opening, you go down and open your profile as you see, then go to edit profile, then go down and click on contact option. Then you will see here business email. You will click and you will add your business email, for example this gmail, for example.com. I will add here some numbers, for example, and when I finish I will just click save here. Now I will back to my profile and that's it. Now I add an option of my business email. As you see here, I will go back to contact option and I will display contact photo. I will click here, so now I can see it on my profile. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next video.